Today, we're gonna do something fun and matching. Today, we are installing the same light that is in the Frunk in the trunk. Ignore the mess in my trunk. We're still working on wrapping the car, obviously. So, this new light is gonna go around the edge of the trunk, just like the one in the Frunk. It has a connector that is going to attach to that light there, and then I'm gonna run the wiring through this trim into the seal and all the way around. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. So this comes with the adapter. One of these ends will plug into the light and the other will plug into the end that the light is already connected to, and then there's the actual light that we're wrapping itself here. So first we have to remove this light. I'm just using a pick tool to get in here to pop it out. There we go. Has a simple clip. You just gotta pull a little hard, but I've got that out. So now we have to disconnect it from its pin. There we go. So there's a little clip here that you have to pull down to be able to pull out. And there we go. Disconnected. Super simple. So I'm going to attach the light to the new harness and then attach the harness to the clip, and would you look at that, it is glowing. So I'm just gonna disconnect it for now because we know it works. I'm gonna run that wire through. So to start, I removed the clip that holds the light from in the fabric so that I can pull all the wiring through it so that it's not getting stuck when I'm up here trying to install it. So then what I'm doing is I'm going to put it up through the hole and I'm going to feed it through this part, which I'm going to pull down just so that I can get under it to feed the wiring through. So you can see right here, I've got this popped open just so that I can fish through that wire. Now that that's done, it's just putting the light back in place. Okay, light is back in place. So now it's time to run the light. To run the light, you simply put it under the lip. And let's see here. There's actually a thick side and a thin side, so let's just check. Aha! The light is on the edge, so it doesn't matter. I'm gonna stick it right up in there, and we're just gonna feed it under this rubber seal, just like we did in the Frunk. Alright, and just like that, it is fully installed. It goes all the way around. Oh, sticking out just a bit here. There we go. And then we've got a lot extra. So we're going to cut it at one of the cutting points, which is, oh, focus, these little dark lines, and then cap it. To cut this, you can use a pair of scissors, you can use a utility blade, whatever you are comfortable with. I think I'm actually gonna cut back just a little ways. Nah, I'll cut right here. We'll see. Oh, that's hot. Okay, so y'all remember how in the Frunk video we said don't cut the wire when it's plugged in? There's a reason for that. Don't do that. Don't be stupid. Stupid. But as you can see, it is working. Everything is lighting up nicely. And I will give you the before and after during the night when nighttime hits. So as you can see, it's not as bright. You can't really tell too much what's in the trunk. Obviously, I've got a couple of items in here, but let me show you what it looks like with the new light installed. And this is with the new light. You can see everything from a distance. There's no question of what's in here. You can see all of the products that I have stored around, and it just lets you see so much more, and it's perfect. If you want to get one of these for yourself, go ahead and check out the link down in the description below. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.